Anamik is a PhD candidate in the biomedical engineering at Emory and Georgia Tech, with a commitment to developing innovative biomedical imaging technologies that can positively impact healthcare via better stem cell therapies. His presentation is titled Next Generation Stem Cell Therapy via Multifunctional Nanosensors. Anamik, please test your mic.
Hello, check.
Beautiful, beautiful. Timekeeper, are you ready? You may start when ready.
Cells are the basic building block of the human body. Each and every one of you sitting here today was once just a single stem cell that has now developed into a complex individual. Now, stem cells have two amazing properties. They have the ability to differentiate, which means become many different types of cells, and they have the ability to renew, which means become many cells. Now, scientists like me are trying to use these unique properties of stem cells to find a cure for degenerative diseases. Think Parkinson's disease, osteoporosis, muscular dystrophy. Now, 1 in 3 Americans in the later stages of their life will encounter one of these diseases, and when they go to the doctor, they will hear that, oh, I'm sorry, there's no cure, only management plans. Imagine that sinking feeling. What if I told you there was a cure? Stem cell therapy can be used to cure degenerative diseases. Well, why doesn't the doctor say, oh, I got you, let me sprinkle some stem cells on that? They do not. Well, let's dive in a little deeper, right? 6 decades of research and 1,000 clinical trials, but only 2 stem cell therapies are out in the market right now. Why does the medical community not want to use stem cell therapies? The answer is quite simple, actually. You take the stem cells and you want to repair something, send it in the body, and poof. You don't know what's happening. You don't know if you send them to the right place. You don't know if they're going to stay there, go somewhere else. You don't know how they're behaving. You don't even know if they're alive or dead, right? With so many unanswered questions, it's no wonder that the medical community does not want to use stem cell therapy to cure diseases. Now, that's a shame, right? It's a powerful technology. That's where me and my research comes in. I design nanosensors that we can use to label stem cells, and that allows these stem cells to talk back to us, to talk to the doctors using imaging technologies. The 2 imaging technologies we use are ultrasound imaging, sound in, sound out, very safe, used for babies, and an add-on photoacoustic imaging, which is light in, sound out, also very safe. These are real-time, non-invasive imaging technologies. So what you essentially do is you take my nanosensors, put them inside the stem cells, and then send them into the body. And now they can talk to us using these 2 imaging technologies. They can tell us where they are. They can tell us if they're going to stay there, where they're going to go, and even if they're dead or alive. Now, in the first 3 years of my dissertation research, I have accomplished this. And now we're trying to take it a step further. Can we talk to the stem cells? Can we use a magnetic nanosensor to guide them to a certain region? Or maybe use a laser nanosensor to tell them how exactly to behave, right? With my technology, when you next go to the doctor, they will be able to say, it's okay, I got you. I can sprinkle some stem cells on that. This is the future of medicine, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Thank you.